I gotta start timing these river crossings better. This one's got swimming holes. I could be practicing going across rivers, cooling off my ankles and my calves. Alright, Mishap, gotta plan these better. Did you hear the owl? Oh my gosh, I can hear it really well. I hope it turns out on that video. I don't know if it will. Alright, so I had a really big biscuit with eggs and bacon. It was so good here. Then I had a hamburger that came with 2 patties and a bunch of fries. I'm feeling kind of full, and I'm hearing that there's trail magic down by the highway, so I guess we'll go check it out. And a local guy came up and gave us some electrolytes, which is great because I was out. So good stuff. Check this out.
Now there's stuff over there on name. Because what were you before?
Fresh ground, trail magic. I've been hearing about fresh ground since I started the trail. Finally got to meet him. Apparently he drives around. He's got this incredible trail magic going on. We had these incredible brats. I've even got one in my pack, taking it for later. Fruit and salad I've been craving, and Gatorade, just all kinds of stuff up there. Tomorrow he's meeting us down trail for breakfast. I think it's going to be blueberry pancakes, my favorite. So it's about 14 miles, so I gotta get up to the next shelter or close to it, and if I need to, I'm getting up early. I'm gonna not miss it. Oh man, this may be the first section I gain weight on the trail. It's 4 o'clock. We have 5.4 miles to the second shelter that Fresh Grounds was telling us about. And I'm so thankful they gave us a lot of electrolytes because I am dying hot and I'm burning up. I had to put these on to keep my calves from frying. I guess I'm going to need some sunscreen. So, almost there. Check it out, team. We've done 600 miles on the AT. Woo! All right, so it's almost 9 o'clock. I made it to the shelter. Finally, it was a long day. It was a hot day. Somebody said it was 85. I had 2 liters of fluid. Most of it was Gatorade, and I barely made it. I'm really glad today is done. Tomorrow I'm going to be hopefully getting in some water somewhere and cooling off. Washing things off. I tried to wash my face off in the stream and there was so much salt that it stung my eyes. Oh, but the rest of the evening there was a lot of socializing going on, so it was a really fun camp tonight. So I'm feeling good about that. And Fresh Ground showed up, and so we talked with him a long time, and he's all excited to cook breakfast in the morning. So everybody's morale is pretty high right now. All right, see you tomorrow. By the way, it was 23.5 miles that hike today. I am pretty sore. I hope I don't do that again soon. I also realized I need to get some sunscreen. My calves were burning, so I had to wear the wind pants, and it looks like I maybe have some on my face too.
taken care of real quick.
You are awesome.
And then just hand out snack bars in the afternoon.
I can honestly say there is nothing on the AT like a fresh grounds breakfast. Walking out the trail in the dark of the morning, smelling it from afar, seeing the fire in a distance, and just knowing everything's going to be okay. I am so full right now. I think 8 pancakes, 3 eggs with cheese, a banana, an orange, an apple, potatoes, bacon, sausage. It's so good. Thank you, Fresh Grounds. And you went even above and beyond. And yesterday I was thinking, oh, why didn't I take another brat? We had some leftovers today, and Pack sent me out with a couple of them. So I actually have 2 brats with buns in my backpack. I don't know how they fit, but they did. So Fresh Grounds is the very first person that has really convinced me to add something to my backpack, and I actually came back and asked him for more, which was those brats. Oh, look at the reflection down in the water. It's a bouncy bridge. The inner kid comes out. It's a bouncy bridge. I don't know if I told you, but I packed out with some brats and buns from Fresh Grounds. So along the way, I found dandelions and violets and wild chives. And so I need to drop pack, get a Ziploc before my hip pack starts smelling like those things. But I'm going to put them on the brat. It's going to be great. Let's go check it out. This is Dismal Falls. I'm going to look for a place to get wet and dry my stuff off and eat. Don't die, don't be stupid, don't break your ankle. Alright, we're at Dismal Falls. Good? All in, friends, all in! Pull it! Woo! Oh, Andy went under. Woo! Oh, feels good. I might have to go again. I am happy to report that I am completely feeling better, all washed off, and now I'm going to eat some lunch. It was also fun because some of the other guys jumped in the water too now, so we're just having a good old time. Alright, we've got dandelions, wild chives, these are spring beauties, wild violets, and they're all going on my brat. Back to the junction Hope you liked the side trip and the lunch we had. Now we're heading up trail. A lot of miles to cover. We're just gonna get as many as we can. I feel so good right now getting in the water. Got in several different more times without the video, but basically I feel washed off. My shirt, I couldn't even sleep in last night. It was so grimy from all the sweat and salt, and it's completely rinsed multiple times now. My wind pants, same thing. I couldn't stand them last night. Now they're all rinsed out. The socks are all dried out. Very much worth that stop. One of the hikers hauled up some bacon, gave me some from the Fresh Grounds breakfast this morning, and then a little bit later I whipped out the whoa little slip. Maybe I shouldn't be walking and doing this. I got out the brats and ate one and gave one to some hikers, so it was a lot of fun having trail magic going around. 6 o'clock, we made it to the junction with that Rebel Trail, and here's the AT. We have 4 miles to the shelter. It's 6 o'clock. It's going to be late getting there. Hopefully any storms hold off. Apparently some people go down this, hang a left, and then it gets on a road that parallels the trail for like a couple miles, but I don't see a reason to justify that today. Alright team, I think we have about 4 miles of this stuff. We've had worse in Virginia. At least these are big stones, it's easier to step along. Alright, hopefully we make it before dark. Oh man, we're losing sunlight. This is gonna be close. Wind is picking up, so I hope it's just evening wind and not a storm. The skies look okay right now. Oh man. A view. Ooh, let's go check it out. Nice job, Virginia. That was cool setup.